We're Liz and John, and we've been staying at Punsand Bay for the last 3 days. We've been to the tip, we've driven the Roma flat track, the 5 Beaches 4-wheel drive track, as well as a trip to Thursday Island. So now we've come down to ALAU Beach for a nice rest. So we have just arrived at ALAU Beach campground, left Punsand Bay along those shocking corrugated roads, and here we are. We're just going to rest up here for a couple of days and see what's happened inside the van. Well, we've been shaken a bit. Anything else? I'll put the steps down and go in. Right, steps are down. Tops are okay. A couple of things fallen off. And this is just popped open and things have fallen out. The rest of the van looks okay. I'll put these away and go through and just see how the rest looks. Alright, let's see what's happened in here. It's not too bad. Go back. White paper goes back. Bin goes back. I wrapped up the shower rose carefully to protect it, and that's okay. Good, that's alright. This is okay. This is dust free. All good. Bin back. Everything good. All stuffed up with towels and tablecloths, so nothing moves. So I think everything will be right there. Oh dear, when I took out the towels, we've had a bit of a spillage here. Right, a bit of cleaning up needed, but apart from that, not too bad. We've been over horrendous roads. This lid was shaken off with the corrugations. So let's have a look at this one. It seems to be okay. Just take off all of these things we've shoved in. And that seems to be okay. Good. Just this to clean up. So after all of that, it's time to relax and just to have some leisurely walks along the beach. This is a really convenient place to stay. So if you're considering coming up to the Cape, have a look at ALAU Beach rather than Punsand, because from Punsand you've got to drive into Seizure to catch the ferry to Thursday Island and back again. Here it's just up the road, and that way you avoid all those corrugations. Have a day going up to Punsand Bay, but this is a great base. Isn't it amazing? Thousands of miles of travelling, and you meet someone from the same suburb and you share friends together. So there's a lot of wreckage of planes around the Bamega airport, and they are the wreckages of the Kitty Hawk and the Beaufort bomber, and also the DC-3, which crashed during landing during World War II. Just sad to see them all here with the loss of 6 lives.
What a stunning way of spending our last night on the tip of the Cape York Peninsula at ALAU Beach, watching the sunset. Absolute magic. And the lapping of the waves. It's just so peaceful and so relaxing. What do you think, Liz?
Well, it's just been a magnificent time, and it's come to an end. This time up at the very tip of Australia has come to an end. And it's come to an end here on this beach, ALAU Beach, watching the sunset. Tomorrow we leave this beautiful place to head south and continue our journeys to Alice Springs.